I'm really sorry I had to move the sprint planning this morning. I just had a...
That's okay, Sue, not a problem. So starting with the planning, so we have already taken few stories into the sprint. So I'll just display the velocity tracker for once. So, and regarding the QA, I checked with the QA management, and we have got one more resource, the previous resource, Manikandan, who is familiar with the marketing side. So he'll be supporting us along with Valliyappan for this sprint.
Oh, well done. Thank you.
Okay. So we have full velocity for this sprint, Sue. So 16 points for the development and 8 points for QA, and for UI we have Shake. Okay, so start with 1428. We have already estimated and taken into the sprint 82.
Yeah.
And apart from that, we have blog 1471. Just update the WordPress. Okay. Version 4.9 update. So we have taken this into the sprint, and we have estimated as 3 points for this story. And after that, we have taken the updating the titles for the Pearson readers. So for that, we have estimated 8 points for Sriniti.
Do you want to have a look
Other
at
than that?
Sorry,
okay.
Sorry to interrupt. What I've just done in the last few minutes is I've added the spreadsheet of data,
Okay.
that story from Claire, which you can have a look at, and it will help you estimate it just to see whether it is actually 8 points or less or more. So there are 90.
Okay. 89.
I think there are 90 and they are split between from line 53. If you look at line 53.
Okay.
You'll see a note there saying this is the new readers. These are the new ones. That they're all new entries, new titles. So new ISBNs. All of the titles are new, and they come in a category called story readers. And as the note shows here, instead of on the product page showing genre, they want to show level and age. And if you look along in the spreadsheet, there's a column for level, which is the same for other products, other titles, but she's put age underneath genre 1. So if you move the columns along.
Okay. Okay, just a second, Sue.
Okay.
Sue, do you want to add a new column as age here?
The problem, yes, ultimately the answer is yes, but at the moment, only those new readers would have age data.
Okay.
So I think for now, we leave it off the search filters. We just add it to the product page. So if you show now a product, a title, so if you do a search in catalog for a title, put in love actually.
Put in, sorry, Sue.
If you just if you just search for a title that exists already, so put in the keyword search, you could put in. I would just use the keyword search, Kalpana, and put in that white box, put in Love Actually. Then if you click on the first item,
Okay.
so if you can see underneath the title,
Mm-hmm.
you've got genre, romance, TV, film.
Right. Okay.
So for the new titles,
Okay.
what they would like is to have age
Okay.
instead of that.
Okay, Sue.
Yeah. Now also on the subject of genre, some of the amended titles don't have the genre identified. So if they don't have the genre identified, can this field be removed?
Sorry, Sue, what was the last part you said?
If a title that exists already does not have the genre attached to it, or if a new title does not have genre identified in the spreadsheet, can the genre be left off of here, this field removed?
It does not have genre for the new titles. This will be.
Sue?
Hi.
Hi, Sue. So for my understanding, so we are going to give the age column instead of the genre, right? For the new titles.
For the new titles, they won't have a genre, they will only have age. So that's correct for the new titles.
Okay, fine. So what about the search you? So whether we need to give the search keywords for the age too?
I think the only yes you do, but not yet, because then the age search would only find the new titles. Because all of the titles in the portfolio have not had their age category identified.
Okay.
So it's something that we need to plan in for another sprint.
Okay. Sure.
So I'm happy at the moment that age doesn't appear in the filters, but just appears on this product page, on this title page.
Okay.
Okay. So having said that, if we go back to the spreadsheet, does it still look, first of all, does it look understandable? Do you have all the information you need? Is it still going to be 8 story points? With the outstanding titles as well. You know, the ones from Sprint 81 are still remaining.
So this sheet is addition to the 44 titles pending from last sprint, Sue?
Yes, but if you look in the backlog, everything is in one. Everything that's needed is in 1468, and there was a 1450.
1450. Okay, yeah.
That just disappears now. That can be deleted.
Oh, okay. So shall I close this one?
Close that one because the 24 new titles have been added into the story 1468.
So I'll just mark it as duplicate and close this.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now what you have in 1468 is 24 new titles, about 48 amended titles,
Right.
and what was left over from Sprint 81.
Correct. Yeah. And then this one. 89 plus 44. Do we want to work on both for the sprint, Sue? Is that your expectation?
Yes.
We need 8 points only for this one alone.
For 89
Yeah, for the
titles.
99 titles, we need 8 points. So maybe it will be fully occupied with titles.
Okay.
So if we give the same move to Sheikh, so he can manage the 44 remaining 44.
Shay, can
titles.
you work on the remaining 44 titles which Srinidhi was working in the previous sprint? Updating the titles, catalog titles.
44 titles adding. Yes.
Rachel's request.
So 44 in the 90.
Srinidhi will work on this 89 titles, 88 actually. And can you work on the 44?
Okay, fine. So 8 titles.
Okay. So Sue, the 8 points has been estimated only for this sheet for the 88 titles. The remaining, the pending 44 titles, we will take it as a separate story and assign it to Sheikh, Sue. Would that be okay?
Yes, that's absolutely fine.
Okay. So just a second, I'll just clone that story. How much was it estimated? It was estimated 3 points. So we can have the same point, right? 11 points. Oh, okay. Only for you. Just a second, I'll just pull that story up into the sprint. Okay, Sue, done.
Okay.
And yeah.
Sorry, no, you carry on, Kalpana.
Okay. And after that, we have 1474, which is for UX. This is to continue the UX and functional testing of catalog landing page for sprint 82. So I have cloned that story from 81. So Valliyappan will be working on this, and we have estimated the same story point for the sprint as well, Sue.
Okay. Kalpana, for that catalogue landing page, there is, because it will need to go live at the end of this page, as you probably have seen, there are 4 blank items that require images and text. So can I include that in that sprint if I provide you with the images and text for those content blocks?
Images and text. Okay. Do we have the story already in backlog, Sue?
No, there's no story for this. But if you look at the test site, I'll show you what I mean.
Okay. Okay, here is the test site.
You click on search catalog.
Okay.
So where it says promo headline, I've got some copy for that, and I've got I've got some images coming, and this is going to be a carousel of 3 images. So I've got copy and 3 images, and then if you see below where it says explore our 3 series,
yeah,
those coloured blocks, I've got images instead for those, and new copy underneath where it says book title.
Okay.
So can that be included in the UX story, or do you want me to do a new story?
We can have it as a separate task. Means we cannot estimate. Is that okay?
That's just a tracking.
Correct.
Just a content task.
And story instead, right?
Content update. Task number.
Okay. Sue, we can take it as a task for sprint 82, Sue. No problem.
Fine, thank you, because it's just a content upload, isn't it?
Yeah, right.
Fabulous. So, do you want me to put it down as a task?
Yeah, Sue, would be better if we have a separate task for this.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So yeah, so that's 1474 or an addition to 1474.
Okay. Yeah, it would be an addition to 1474. Okay, so I think we have some bandwidth for Balaji. How many points we can accommodate? 3 points we can still take it into the sprint, Sue.
Okay. So I want to do the subscribe form 1472.
1472, okay. Yeah, the subscribe form. How much is the estimate for this, Balaji? Just using the same form.
So using the same form in English.com, right? As you?
Yeah.
Can I use the same form in English.com?
Yes. Yeah. I want it to be the same one.
Okay. Okay.
Share your description of changes to the subscribe form so that it works the same way as the current English.com website.
So we need some JavaScript functionality for this one, and we need to make some design structures.
Shakes involvement will be there.
Shakes involvement will be there. So
Okay.
2%.
Okay. Sue, we will estimate 3 points for this, 2 for development and 1 for designing and testing.
Lovely. Thank you.
Okay. I think we have enough stories for the sprint, Sue.
Okay. So we can't have the sitemap page will not fit in. Is that right?
Sitemap 1317.
Yeah.
Okay, let me open it. Let's try estimating it and then check. Content update.
Okay, fine.
It's because at the moment, Balaji, if you click on the footer in the test site, and there's a sitemap link there, but of course it goes to the English.com site. And it's for the reader's site. I don't think the reader's site has ever had a sitemap page. So we either have to drop the sitemap off if it can't be fitted into this sprint, or take it off the footer altogether, because I don't want people going to the wrong website.
Okay.
Or create a content page for it.
Okay.
Okay.
So it just depends on your bandwidth, I guess.
Do you have bandwidth, Balaji? Because I expect some bug fix from the Pearson readers.
It won't take more time. It is just a page creation, right?
Okay.
So actually, it is not coming from me. I'm Chase will do this one.
Okay, but if there are bugs identified in the Pearson readers, who will fix it? Both of you. You can you manage? Okay, story points, please.
What?
Along with the testing effort.
Everything.
Okay. Okay, fine. No dependency, right? You have all the information. Okay. So we will push it into the sprint.
Excellent, thank you.
Okay, I think everybody has stories for the sprint, Sue.
Okay, cool.
That's it.
So, Kalpana.
Yes, Sue.
Because we've got, I wanted to tell you about my holiday coming up.
Okay.
Because it will affect the last few days of this sprint, essentially.
Last 2 days of this sprint.
Yeah, so basically, I'm on holiday on the 19th of December.
19th?
The 19th of December,
Okay.
the 20th, and
Okay.
the 21st.
Okay.
But I'm in the office on, sorry, on the 22nd. I'm on, so 18, 19, and 22nd are holiday days. But I'm in the office on Thursday, the 21st of December.
Okay.
I'm also in the office on Monday, the 18th of December.
You'll be available on 18th?
I'm available on the 18th, and that week I'm available on the 18th and the 21st.
Okay.
And then I'm not back into the office until Thursday, the 4th of January.
18 and 21st. Okay, Sue.
So after that,
yeah.
Thursday, 4th of January.
Okay, Sue. So we are planning to release Pearson Readers by December 22nd, Sue?
Yes.
Okay, so this will happen regardless of your unavailability, right?
Yes, but I want to, obviously, I will want to be checking the status of the staging site either on Monday the 18th or Thursday the 21st.
Okay, Sue. So we need to plan the testing and bug fixing accordingly. Valliyappan, we need to finish the testing and as well as the bug fixing by 15th. At the worst case, 18th, because Sue has to do the stage testing, and then we by 22nd we need to push it to production for Pearson Readers rebranding. Yes. Okay, Sue. Is that possible, Balaji? And yeah. Okay. Fine, Sue.
Is that good?
Okay.
Fantastic.
So,
Thank
yeah.
you. If you face any problems, let me know.
Sure, Sue. Yeah. Keep you posted about the Pearson Readers testing and bug fixing.
Yeah. I'm on holiday, but I'm at home. So if there was an emergency, I would look at things. So it's not that bad. And also, I can also brief Siobhan on some things as well.
Okay, Sue.
Right. Fabulous, thank you. Are we all okay then? So you just need some content items from me for this next sprint, which is for the catalog landing page, some images and some text.
Right. Yeah, we need to have a task for that.
Oh yeah, all right.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll do the task.
Okay. So let me know once you are done with the tasks. I'll include that into the sprint and give start sprint into.
Yeah, I'll go and write it up now.
Okay.
But I don't have it yet, but I'll write it up so that it's there.
Okay, Sue.
Oh, and I just wondered if before you go, you could just show me the drop down in the test site to see if it's okay.
Okay, Balaji, can you show her the test site? I'll just share my screen again.
So this is the drop down. So now I have added the validations, two validations of the functionality for the drop down. Everything is completed. So without entering anything, if the user click go button and the error message will throw. So this field won't be enabled until the user click the first option field. For example, if he click this one, then only it will be enabled. So they can click anything. So after they click the go button, and it will redirect to the appropriate page.
This has changed functionality, Balaji, and I'm a little bit concerned about it because it was correct before in the test site, and now it seems to have changed. well, I don't know. I don't understand what's happened. In a previous story, this was accurate, but it isn't accurate now. So first of all, it was I'm ...
Okay.
because it doesn't make sense to say I'm in an English teacher. Then also somebody has recoded or rewritten the items because there is capitalization where there shouldn't be. And then the second box before it said looking for ... Then you had the drop down items. You didn't have the word select. And the drop down items, I can't see them now, but if you could click on them, they are, yeah, they were only available when you had selected I'm. If you selected something from, if you select an English teacher.
Okay.
If you could do the drop down now.
Yeah, we are getting the drop down
Yes.
Yeah, that looks fine. I would have to check the links go to the right page.
Okay.
So it works differently. So where's the phrase looking for?
Where is the phrase looking for? The link is working fine, Sue.
It's not the link, it's the fact that this box in the middle, when you come to the site and it's complete, if you clear everything, it should say I'm ... in the left hand box.
Okay.
And in the middle box it should say looking for ...
Okay.
And that's
So like same like English.com, Shu.
Sorry?
Once again. So you are talking about same thing like English.com drop down, right? So
It's coming. Okay. It
same
should be
like this,
same.
right? I'm ... and looking for ...
Yeah, it's not literally the same because the first box I've changed.
The options are.
Yes, it's supposed to work like that.
Okay.
So you see a teacher looking for, and then you see your options.
Okay. Okay, so then I'll change it.
But it was like that before.
I think
it's totally
something happened.
or there's a regression somewhere because it was like it was perfectly fine before.
Okay.
Wanted to know what.
Yeah, actually we have added some more validations for this one, and maybe some more text correction was happened. So we apologize for this one. So we will correct this text, and the drop down functionality looks like before.
Okay.
Okay.
So you do your work on it, and then I'll look at it again to make sure that the capitalization is right and the punctuation is right.
Sorry, Sue?
If you do your work on it to get it back to where it was, then I will look at it to make sure that the spelling is correct and the punctuation is correct.
Okay, sure.
Sure, Sue.
Okay.
You will work on
But
it.
that's all. This is the only outstanding thing because
Sure,
I
Sue.
kind
We
of
will
had
check on it immediately. Balaji will fix it now, right after the call, and let you know once done, so that you can check test site and confirm back.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
So, do we have anything else to discuss on the call?
No.
Sue, anything from you? Okay. Okay, then. Thank you, Sue. Thank you, team.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.